Hi guys, today I going to show you in this video portable Bluetooth speaker JBL Go 3 unboxing and demo. This is the one cartoon of JBL Go 3. Let's open it. Yeah, this is the one JBL Go 3. Included multi-languages catalog. Also included Type-C charging cable. Wow, very nice. They created the body very nicely. And this is the one Type-C charging port. And you can hang anywhere. Also any angle you can keep. Let's see review and features. This speaker made by Harman. It has 4.2 watts RMS, Bluetooth version 5.0, also has big audio and punchy bass, and ultra portable, IP67, water and dust proof, 5 hours playtime, wireless Bluetooth streaming, vibrant new shades, so in a variety of colors. Okay guys, let's start to play. I turn on power button, also I turn on Bluetooth button. Wow, super bass and amazing sound.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have anything doubt, you can ask in comment box. You not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe and enable bell icon for you getting new video uploading notifications. Thank you for watching.